And again, not a lot of snow left to fall overnight tonight. A few flurries, that's about it. But it doesn't take much to cause issues. As cold as it is, live look right now, this is atop McLeod Mountain in Campbell County. Turn back towards the observation deck here. Not much falling, but you see kind of a thin coating on the rails there. That's similar to what we've seen portions of Cumberland County. Dominic Webster showed you that story there. Fentress, Scott, Morgan counties kind of seeing the same thing. Even in around Sevier County, the AstroTurf grass here, the tops of the picnic tables and some of the mulched areas, they have some snow coverings there, even on some of the roofs. So again, it wasn't a lot of snow, but the temperatures dropped so quickly throughout the day today. That's what's caused the issue. Now, again, when you take a look at the radar, it's cold, low 20s across the plateau, upper 20s here in the valley. There are still some of these random flurries, and that's what we're talking about. Doesn't take much, but it could cause like a thin glaze in some spots because road surface temperatures are below freezing for everybody, as you can see across the region. No real surprise there. It's going to stay that way as we fall off into the teens and low 20s overnight tonight, staying mostly cloudy. Now tomorrow, hopefully, fingers crossed, we see a peak or two of sunshine by the afternoon, but it's not going to help much. We're still talking near freezing, if not below, across the plateau. Night at Jamestown, Crossville, Barberville. You may not get above the freezing mark. It'll be close, but mid-30s elsewhere. Colder as we head into Wednesday morning, mid to upper teens. We'll call it partly cloudy and much the same through the day on our Wednesday, low to mid-30s. But clouds will scour out Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday night. So by Thursday morning, clear sky, light wind. That's our coldest of the week, what I'm thinking right now. 7 in Barberville. These aren't wind chills. These are actual temperatures. And low to mid-teens for everybody else. So even with sunshine Thursday afternoon, we'll struggle to get out of the upper 20s and low 30s. Clouds come in on our Friday. Temperatures still close to, if not below freezing in spots, but a couple of areas are just a little bit above. And that's important because our next weather maker, our storm system, will be coming in along the Gulf Coast of Louisiana by that time and spreading moisture northward. The bigger questions I have at this point, do I think we're going to see wintry precipitation in the area? Yes, it is looking more and more like we will, but the problem is we don't know exactly where this area of low pressure is going. Further south, we have a better chance of seeing all snow, but lower totals because more moisture is closer to that low center. If it travels further north, we will see more moisture move in, but more likely a mix of probably some sleet and snow combined. It would mean less snow, but it wouldn't mean less travel concerns across the area. So still some time to watch it. When does it start to move in? How much do we actually see from this system? Those are things we'll know over the next couple of days. But we are looking forward to most likely an opportunity for some snow. So the way it's looking right now in the social media snowcast is, yeah, the kids and kids at heart are definitely getting excited. Not quite to the milk and bread alert yet, and don't think we're going to get to snow MG on this one. This is not like almost a year ago. What was it, mid-January, we had that big snow move through the area. For now, it doesn't look like those type of totals. We'll watch, all right? So staying dry, staying quiet over the next couple of days, just cold. Teens and 20s in the morning, 30s for the afternoon. And if it mixes again with some sleet, it would cut down on the snow totals, but it wouldn't cut down on the travel impacts. I still think there will be some, especially as we go through the overnight hours Friday into Saturday. We see a little bit of melting with mid-30s Saturday, then that would refreeze if it's not cleared by early Sunday morning. The good news is there are several days coming up where a lot of the road crews can get out and pre-treat some of these roads, so we'll look forward to that, Tom.
All right.